we're back. Yeah, my I don't know what happened. Starlink, we gotta love it. Seems like once a day almost, Starlink just randomly decides to quit. And I don't know. Sucks. But we're back. Hey, we back. We back. Do you have access to fiber? Oh no, I wish. Yeah, Rowan, please. Maybe if we all file a complaint to Starlink. No, I actually don't. I'm very thankful to have Starlink. Actually, to be honest, it does tend to, like, once a week, or I mean like once a day almost. It just randomly it'll disconnect. I don't know why. Like, I don't know, is it doing some kind of update, or like right now it's clear skies. There should be no reason why I disconnect, but it just does it randomly during the day. Just boom, disconnected. But it's still better than the option I had. It used to be, before Starlink, the best internet option I had was 10 megabyte download speed and 1 megabyte upload speed. That is painful. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, I don't live in that rural of an area. Or I wouldn't say so. Like, we have a high school close to where I'm at, and it's really not that out in the boonies. Yes, I'm on Starlink. I've had Starlink now for a year and a half. So, and usually, I mean, Starlink for the most part is pretty good. I haven't actually tested their speeds recently. Actually, let's just test the speeds right now. All right. See if this will break out to the upside. So these are my speeds currently with Starlink. Mid-afternoon. Usually, it does get better than that at times, but you know, my upload isn't great. But hey, it's better than 10 and 1. Did you ever try calling the internet company to see if they would drag the nearest cable to your house? Yes, I have. I even I'm rich. I'm rich because I have Starlink? What? No. That long was good. Maybe. I'm still not at my profit target. Profit target was 504s. Honestly, I should have re-entered down here at the 85s. Re-entering down here where I should have entered in the first place, then it would be good. True. You know what? I'm very blessed. I can't complain. I can't complain, but I am not rich. Trust me. I am not. You should see the truck I drive. It's rusty. It's almost falling apart for real. My passenger side floorboard has a hole in it about the size of this. No lie. It gets very interesting. I put a blanket in the floorboard just so people won't fall out and fall on the road. I probably shouldn't even drive it, but you know what? I'm gonna drive it till it don't go no more. Look at this thing go now. Should have held on. Should have held that thing maybe, but we're okay. Like I said, we're not going to talk about it. Your old car had a hole like that too. Gets very interesting when you go gravel driveway or when you go gravel roads. All of a sudden it's like, whoa, why is there a stone up here? It gets interesting. Download is, I actually hate people. Like my brother has 100 up and 100 down speeds, and that actually irritates me. It's not cool, man. It should be, if you live within like 5 miles of a state road, we are living in the it's 2023. If you live within 5 miles of a state road, it should be mandatory that there is fiber internet available. That just should be default. We're not in a third world country here. But you know what? If I was president, that's what I would run on. Yep, that's what I would run on. We're so spoiled. We are. Hey, all I want is some good internet, okay? But you're right. Compared to some other people, I should just be thankful. I get it. No, you're sounding like my mom. Oh, man, we just rejected hard off this 505. Okay, down we go again. Are you going to do another payout video update? Yes, I am. Oh, one day you can be on the leaderboard. Same, Phil. I hope me and you both are on that leaderboard. How about that? We're all eaten by cannibal robots in AI. We shouldn't be able to have a little bit faster internet. You can be one, I'll be two. I'm fine with being number two. Hey, Dan Trader. Yeah. Couldn't be here this morning. Whoa, look at this thing sell off now. Whoa. What's going on here, folks? Is it time to just jump in blindly? See if we can pick the bottom. Wow. Anybody short this 505 resistance right here? And yes, before you know it, no, I don't trade my zones. Everybody always asks. Unfortunately, I don't. Man, that was a big rejection. Not that big volume. Not that crazy. Lots of selling. See if they just buy it right back up. This is where I like watching time and sales when we have these big sell-offs to see what yeah, I know I knew you would ask. I knew it. The reason I don't is, and I have been back testing, and I've been trying, like I go to market replay and I'm trying to find something that is more consistent. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. That's just the truth. That's just how it is. And I guess that is probably the case with most strategies. They don't always work. It's quite a bit of liquidity sitting at the 45s. All the way down here. Right here. Let's draw a line. We're line drawers. Right there. A lot of liquidity sitting. Let's see what happens. Watch them just rip this straight back up. Maybe not. Yes, I do a video on it now. I'll be doing an updated video on it tonight. I'm hoping I'll have that video to uploading that tonight. Yeah, DP. Yep, agreed. Action is so volatile. I've blown up so many accounts in that time frame. Yeah. Big Al. I love you guys. Man. We selling off, folks. Oh, this is okay. Like, my instinct right now is just to jump in. I always get killed when I do that, though. Somebody refrain me. Somebody refrain me.
Order submitted.
Okay. Right here's my order. If we get filled, we get filled. If we don't, we don't.
Order submitted.
If we bought the bottom, I'm going to be mad. Maybe a little. That. Ugh. I'm seeing something now I don't like, but. Eesh. We bounced right off this 60 level again. Come on, rip through this 60s. That would be sweet. I would really appreciate it. One time, market, just one time. Come on, right here. Do it. Through the 60s. Do it. Do it now. Nope, not doing it.
Target filled.
Thank you. Thank you, market. I appreciate you. All right, stop is going to be at break even because we're going to take profit at the 47s if we get there. This will likely stop me out again, huh? Nutty's going to be upset. Sit on. Oh. Oh, Mrs. Nutty's going to be upset. Come on. Sell it. Do it. Rip this thing lower. Put your back into it. Never mind. Every time I try and encourage the market, it's like does the opposite. All right, I was in the middle of doing something here and I forgot what it was. I'm going to give this thing a... Okay, there we go. I'm going to move my stop above this candle. You think 47 Phil is a little bit risky? Where's liquidity at right now? I mean, there's a bunch of liquidity sitting at the 45s. Is kind of what I'm seeing. So I'm trying to take my profit like at the 47s before it gets to the 45s. But it'll likely just stop me out here anyway.
Stop filled.
And stop. Out. Now look for this market to sell off in 5-4. I don't think it... Oh. Really? Where's Tar Heel? I'm about to join Tar Heel's camp, okay? I don't even care. Tar Heel is right. Tar Heel is right. I'm a believer. I'm a believer, Tar Heel. You convinced me. I know you're listening. I know you're out there. Yeah, no, you're good, Kyle. Well, that's what I was looking for my profit taking. A believer in what? I'm a believer in Tar Heel's in what Tar Heel said, that the market makers can see our stops even if we're on a sim account. You know, I just can't deny the many times it's happened. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at this. Right down to the... Why? 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 No, I am what I am. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Oof. Holy, you were in, 6 minis? That sounds like a heart attack. Right down to the 47s. Let's see. See if it take the 45s is where 45 right here. This is where there's a lot of liquidity sitting at. Here. Right here. Hey, let me make myself smaller. Wow, we are bouncing hard off this. Wow. Man, what a bounce. What a bounce here. Yeah, they can see my stop. Maybe that's it. They're just watching me on YouTube. That's what they're seeing it. Some very sadistic, bored market maker is tuning in and he's like, hey, I got nothing better to do. So, for my own entertainment purposes, I'm just going to stop out Nutty Bar and watch him rage quit. You know what's, in all seriousness, that is kind of, I think a lot of traders, we tell ourselves that. Like, we tell ourselves that, it's us against them. And it is maybe to a certain extent. But I think there's also a big part of that is just trying to not take responsibility. Maybe not take responsibility for having a bad trade, or maybe not having a stop loss where it should be. Anyway. It's 3:21. Trying to think, do we want to stream and watch the murderbot? See if we can see what the murderbot does. Yeah, they got me on the big screen. Yep, it hit my 47 target, Phil. You know what? Yeah, the unfortunate thing is it hit my stop loss first. Yeah, Matterman, I don't know. He actually did do another video. Oh no, you mean Fouls. Yeah, you mean Fouls. I have not seen him lately. Hopefully he's around. Also, there's another guy, and I'm blank on his name right now. Man, I don't. Okay, what was his name? Prosperidad? Was that him? But he had a 50K account, according to him, that was over 100K. If I drink caffeine, I mean, I do. Maybe it's the. I'm not the healthiest eater, as you guys have probably noticed by now. But I do drink coffee. But usually I just have like a cup in the morning. That's it. Yeah, he had a 50K account over 100K according to him. And I haven't seen him in a while. If you're out there, so hopefully everything's going all right. It's tempting here to short this. We're right at the 65 level. And we seem to be struggling to get through it. It's very tempting here to short. If I short, my stop is right above there.
Order submitted.
Let's test these lows again. There's still a bunch of liquidity sitting at the 45s. Maybe I need to start hiding my screen. Market makers can't see my stop. Come on. That's not it. Come on. Ooh, this is feeling very volatile all of a sudden. What time is it? 3:25. Rip it. Rip it.
Order filled.
I'm going to take my profit, my second profit here as well. If we get to the 46s again. Come on, take it out.
Order filled.
There we go. Let's go. All right, this thing looks like it wants to keep going. Wow. It just took out all that liquidity at 45. Ooh, I might regret taking this profit a little bit too early. Wow, we keep ripping. Good trade. Should have held. Wow. All right. Will we make new lows? Will we make new lows? This selling off into the close is very, very interesting. Man, oh man. Just straight down. Took the same trade. Nice. Oh, you bailed too early. Well, same. I bailed a little bit early too, the way this is looking. Had me a little bit nervous up here. I'm not going to lie. All of this right here, we had all of a sudden a lot of volatility come in, and which usually means we're going to have a bigger move. I was a little bit afraid we were going to rip to the upside, but thankfully we didn't. It won't go in a straight line. It never does. Hey, let me see some. I didn't start streaming until like, what was it? 11:30? Imagine if I would have traded this morning and caught some of that big sell-off. It's always in like my trading, I am always the best at trading when we have downtrends. Like that is where I do the best. My worst days are choppy days, obviously. And then my second worst days are a slow grind up. But just selling days, sell-offs, oh, I love it. I feel like it's always easier to capture profits when we go down than it is when we go up. We go down a lot faster. Wow. Thought we might see a little bit more of a bounce here, and it's just not happening. Yeah, stairs go up, elevator go down. That's, yeah, exactly. Hey, did we all catch? Yeah, I caught some of it. Not all of it, though. But at least followed my plan. Ouch. You were one tick away from from entering short on the 66s. Yeah, I was right here. Like when I saw that we were struggling to get up past this 65 level, which has been a pretty key level here. That's kind of when I pulled the trigger here short. Classic pullback entry trade that actually worked instead of having this just be a V-shaped reversal move. That's the difference. Like a lot of times it feels like lately, a lot of times when we have moves like this and then this is always where I want to enter, but it feels like lately these just go straight back up. Like there's no continuation of the trend. It's like the trend just goes without a pullback, and then instead of pulling back, it just reverses. I don't know how to play those. I mean, obviously, in hindsight, it's always easy to play those, but it's like, Yeah, the V bottom around noon is, yeah, these kind of moves. Now, thankfully, I didn't participate. I did participate on this short, and I was able to capture some profits here, but I didn't pull the trigger on this long right here, even though I talked about it. The fact that we failed to make new lows here, you know, is that first sign that we might, you know, reverse. But hang on. And we're back. Okay. Murderbot is, man, now I'm wanting to go long here. I'm not going to, though. Could be a trap. Unemployment claims tomorrow, or yeah, tomorrow morning. Does it automatically reset when you get rebuild? Yes, Jonathan, it does. Ow. Ooh, this thing's ripping. It's okay. We might just miss out. We can't catch all the moves. Hmm. Ooh, now this is where we... Man, do I enter short here? You know what we're going to do?
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, what? It was saying my order was filled, but not filled. Oh, I am
Order
filled on one
submitted.
of them. Okay. This is only one contract, one micro only, and we're just basically see if this thing's gonna sell off again or not. Try not to risk too much here. $3.39. What time is the murderbot? 3:50, right? I believe. This thing might keep ripping higher. It easily could keep ripping higher. But we're going to keep playing this downtrend. More likely to push higher into the close. Yeah, I could. Yeah, you might be right. Yep. I don't strongly disagree with you. This is not... Okay, that's better. I was just ready to say this is not feeling like it wants to sell off, but this is better. I mean, I'm just playing this downtrend. I'm trying to... But I could see someone's reasoning. I could see someone's reasoning for thinking it's going to push higher. Even though I think it'll go lower, but... Okay. I'm gonna kill
Order
this thing.
filled.
We're failing to go. Don't have the conviction for it. No, okay, never mind. You know, best thing about trading is... The best thing about trading is it will keep you humble. We're not going to talk about this, okay? We are not going to talk about this. Man, the market has a really nice way of making you look like an idiot. Let's see what this murderbot does. Okay, now I already feel better. All right. Murderbot incoming in 7 minutes. Market's making humble. It is. Which humbleness, you know? Ooh, here we go. Okay,
Order
I'm jumping
submitted.
in on this. If it's gonna rip it, rip it. I believe. It's only one micro here. Only one micro. Being a little bit more aggressive here than normal.
Order filled.
Hello? Hello? Anybody there? I think we might have just... Was that the murder bot? I don't think so. That thing ripped. Did not take long at all. Time to reload for the murder bot. That felt like the murder bot, but it wasn't. Maybe it was just a little bit of a sample of the murder bot. Yeah, fear DL. I still deal with that. I still deal with that. And if we get a little bit of a pullback here, I wouldn't mind entering long again. This definitely is feeling like it wants to rip into the close. Trust your stop loss. Yep. The body's gone. And we keep going up. Wow. Should have moved my take profit here, actually. I didn't even think about that. Murderbot in 2 minutes. Murderbot in 2 minutes. What is murderbot? Just wait 2 minutes and you will see. It goes boom. It is tempting to. I was hoping we pull back a little bit so I can enter. I don't want to enter up here. I just don't want to do it. Right up here in resistance, this 86, 85. Not interested. Hey, let's go, Kyle. 5 contract. Oh, what? You meant to be trading an eval and you were on your PA? Hey, sometimes it works. And the thing that you need to do, Kyle, is when that happens and it goes in your favor, then it wasn't an accident. Okay, it was a well planned, well executed game plan. Okay, you like your setup and you increase your size. That's what happened. That's what. Oh, did you see the murder bot? I meant to be. Let me see some. Did you see it? Did you see that murder bot? That's the murder bot. And then if it goes against you, Kyle, it was just a mistake. Never meant to be like that. It was just an accident. Okay? I'm giving you tips here. Very valuable tips. I don't do education on trading, but I will give education on I'm not even sure what it's called. It happens every day, exactly at 3:50 to the second. At 3:50 p.m., boom, murderbot engaged. What it is, it's just me on my other account. It's just me on my other Earn to Trade live account, me placing a lot of orders. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know what it is, to be honest. It's just people getting out of positions, and I think it's probably an algorithm or something that always goes off right at 3:50. The problem is we never know which direction it's going to go. Could be the imbalances of the market makers just offloading, getting rid of their, which that was a downswing. So that tells me if that is the case, they were imbalanced to the short side, which would make sense to, well, I don't know if that would make sense or not. I guess so. Eric, yes. I actually wanted to talk about yesterday. Yesterday, it seemed like it happened at 3:55, but I'm not sure there isn't one at 3:50 and then also another one at 3:55. Okay, so let's watch at 3:55. Let's see if it happens again. Hey, Jen, how we doing? You should watch the Canadians from Live Trading TV. They actually play those imbalances. Oh, they do? I do watch them. Man, it's tempting here to go long. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to take another trade. Yeah, 4 o'clock, it also happens, but that's more just like, I feel like that's more just some crazy volume. Okay, I was actually curious, patient trader, but I thought the earnings releases weren't until like 4 or like 4:01 or something like that usually. Is there earnings today? A trailing limit that grabs the bottom of the tick and sells after the way. Oh, yeah. I mean, the problem is you have to know where to place that. Oh, it gets out early. I guess that could be. That might be what happened then. Well, I'm glad it didn't go long. It's looking heavy now. 353, 354 right now. 1 minute to go. Very curious to see if we see what happens here. Okay, Amazon earnings. I thought I heard someone say that. PayPal and Shopify. Okay. Amazon should have some really good earnings. Just a little bit of insight here. I believe we spent a record amount last quarter on Amazon. So their earnings should be pretty good according to my bank statement. Only on NQ. I guess I've only seen it on NQ, but I don't really watch ES during that time. So I'm not quite sure. All right, 355 in 10 seconds. Let's watch. 6 seconds. 4, 2, 1. Engage. Boom, there it was again. It wasn't quite as bad maybe, but it was still there. We can predict the market, just not the direction. We can predict when things will happen. We just don't know what direction. Keep sending me broken car parts. Oh, really? That's unfortunate. Murderbot is not happy. Nope. You can check on. It's also interesting, like looking at the footprint chart when those murder bots get activated. It's very interesting to see that. Oh, I see what you mean, Kyle. Yeah, I feel like on really trendy days, I think you could be maybe a little better at predicting what direction the murderbot will go. I don't know. Trying to think what would make sense. Trying to think if there would be a way to actually know. Probably not. We must repent and give offerings to the murderbot. Hey, take care, DP. Take care. Now I kind of want to. I'm going to hang around just right at 4 o'clock and see what this thing does. If the VIX responds to the murderbot, I don't know. I have no idea. How many times it happens? Well, usually I've only seen it. Usually, like consistently, will happen at 3:50 p.m. But yesterday I noticed it happened. It was actually more relevant at 3:55. Today it happened at 3:50 and 3:55. I don't know what that means. Does it happen every single day? I'm not sure. Sometimes it's worse. But I feel like the 350 bot definitely happens every day. right, let's see what we get. Yeah, 350 is consistent, I feel like. Exact time of earnings? I'm not sure. I mean, usually right at 4 o'clock, there has been at least some crazy volatility. And then how about like yesterday? Yesterday at the open at 6 o'clock, there was also some crazy volatility. $3.59. Now this thing is gonna go crazy. Pump up into the open. $30 seconds to close. Hey, good deal, Timber Stiffy. Exact times of the earning. Oh, yeah, sorry. Hold it, Taurus Trader. I wish you luck, sir. And it's 4 o'clock in 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Not much happening. Yeah, I'm staying out. I'm happy with my day. No need to go crazy right here at the end of the day and give it all back. Lord knows I've done that before. You don't want to know a miserable way to end a day? Have profit, have really nice profit, and then right at the close, you just take one more trade and you end the day red. Those are not good times. Well, not much happening here. Did you say it was 405? 405 when the earnings come out? Jerry, raise your hand if you're guilty. Been there, done that. Got the scars to prove it. Not today, though. Let's go. How was your day, Jerry? Have a good day. Oh, you pass your 100K? Let's go, Timber Stiffy. Blew it up in 2 days. Oh, no. Oof. Ooh. Yeah, Timber Stiffy, that can happen. I assume you're using Top Step, which is fine. But I feel your pain. I'm on it. Okay, I didn't even update you guys, but my 150K Top Step funded account is not looking good. It is. I have literally. It's crazy. I don't think I've ever had such a low win rate ever. My win rate on that account is like 40%. Every single trade I take. Rip. So frustrating. What can you do? It is what it is. If you get classified as a pro trader in your live account, do your personal accounts become pro trader designation? John, that is something you should ask someone. I'm not sure. I had a similar situation, but it was different. So I don't want to speak on. I don't want to say for sure. Did you make any ground on your Top Step account, Taurus? No. Do you know what happens to Apex accounts once converted to prop? Once you convert to a live account, you will. I'm not 100% sure, but I think you basically take out any profits you have, and then they will set you up with a live account. Exactly how they do that, I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, on my top step account, obviously I was playing a lot higher risk. I was trading 1 to 2 minis, you know, which it is. I mean, I was planning to, I was going to be more aggressive, hoping to, you know, be able to take a payout, but it sure ain't looking good. It is not looking good. We got a lot of work to do. Well, what is it? 4:05 almost. If nothing happens at 4:05, I'm ending stream. This has been a very yawning earnings so far. But someone was saying 4:05 is when they release the earnings, right? We have a trade every day to pass. Can we skip one out of the 7 and trade on the 8th day? OT. So you don't need to trade. Okay. You just have to trade 7 days. They don't have to be consecutive. It can take you a month to trade those 7 days. So they don't have to be consecutive. You just have to reach the profit target and accumulate 7 trading days. Does not have to be in a row. Or was that your question? It's 4:05, folks. Nothing happening. I think we got wamboozled. Yeah, tax accountant is who I would check. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna end stream. Very likely, then the market will go crazy. But I thought we'd see some crazy action here with Amazon earnings and stuff. But it might even be that it comes out at 4:15 maybe. But either way, you blew 3 funded accounts last night. Oh, hey, at least you're making money on your cash account. Why is it different? Is it, I am what I am. I'm actually curious. Do you feel like you have, do you feel like you have more pressure or less pressure when you're trading your funded account versus your cash account? Hey, thank you, patient trader. Appreciate that. Nope. Thank you, Real Future. Thank you. Okay, did that clarify it for you, OT? Good deal. All right, I'm going to end it here. Everybody have a great rest of your night. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And then I actually, you know what? Before we go, okay, hang on. I wanted to read what I am was going to say. Less pressure on your prop, so you let it breathe. Okay. You immediately go break even on your cash account. Okay, so I was curious. Okay, so basically when you trade your cash accounts, you're a lot more conservative and you protect your profits a lot more. It's interesting. Well, there we go. Maybe that's the answer you need. I know it's a lot easier said than done. All right. Thanks, everyone. Also, tomorrow, I do have an errand to run, but I think I'm going to run it before stream starts. Knock on wood. And I hope it doesn't go like it went this morning. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, everybody. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate everyone. Take care and God bless.